Rachel. I'm Haya. I'm 43 years old and I'm from Japan. Growing up in Japan, I learned from an early age that it's important to eat 5 different colors on every plate at every meal. That way, it gives you lots of different types of food and nutrition to keep you healthy and full of energy. We call this the rainbow plate. I typically include leafy greens like spinach, colorful foods like orange, sweet peppers, tomatoes, and some protein like fish or tofu, and always something pickled. Pickled foods often take longer to chew, and that gives our chopsticks a time to rest. Not only are rainbow plates beautiful to look at, but they're super healthy. I have 2 children, 5 and 7, and I am passing the beautiful Japanese tradition through their bento box for lunch. Thanks, Rach. I hope you enjoy.
I love the rainbow plate, and Ian and I have been talking about this for years. Eat color. The more color you put into your diet, the less you'll need vitamins in a bottle.
100%.
Yeah,
100%.
if you eat a colorful diet, you're eating a rich, dense diet.
Eat the rainbow. You know, what's interesting also is Japan is known, Okinawa in Japan is known as the land of the immortals.
Wow.
They have hundreds of people who are over 100 years old.
Wow.
It's unbelievable, right? And the average life expectancy is over 84 years of age.
That's fantastic.
Which is crazy, right? So it's great. So I want to show you something that they drink a lot of. It's called matcha, okay?
I know matcha. My husband has a little thing that goes like this and makes it all foamy and poofy and delicious.
There you go.
He does.
So basically, it's like concentrated green tea.
Yeah.
It's full of antioxidants, as you can imagine.
It's
lots
delicious.
of them.
Yeah.
It's very good. It could actually lower your blood pressure. It could lower your blood pressure. It could help lower your cholesterol and maybe even prevent cancer. So this is a little latte here. So basically, what you take is
it's a matcha latte.
A little latte. You take a little teaspoon of the powder.
Okay.
Put it in like so. Take some nice hot water like this.
Stir this.
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. Sorry.
Okay, now.
Okay.
And then we're going to add our milk.
What kind of milk? Soy milk, almond milk?
A little almond milk.
A little almond milk?
A little more. Great.
Is that good?
Yeah. And, you know, that's your latte. So it's very simple, very easy. You have all these great antioxidants in there, which is wonderful.
Smells wonderful. Can I try it?
Yeah, try some. And while you're trying that, I want to also show that the great thing about matcha and the powder is that you can also add it to other foods. So here we have, you know,
matcha
popcorn,
corn.
right?
Woo!
And just mix it up like so, and you know, so you have your corn like that. So that's one way to do it.
Oh my God, that's so fun, right?
It's cool, right? And also, you know, the Japanese eat a lot of seaweed. Particularly,
yes, they do. Yeah.
You know, a particular type called kelp. Right here is wakame. As you can see here, and it's really good. It's very delicious. What's important is that
it's a snack.
Yeah, it's a snack. It can help prevent cancer. It could actually work to regulate your thyroid and help with weight loss.
No
so
kidding.
it's not bad, right?
Oh, eat this by the mouth.